Hey guys, welcome to my unboxing channel, Unbox Other Things. This is Rue, and today I got a tech unboxing to do, and this is a earbud. As you can see, I got a little nice earbud here. I guess it says RealMe, I don't know, but this is a RealMe earbud. It's called RealMe Buds Q, and it's all in Chinese. I can't really read. Well, technically this one says it has 20 hours of battery life, 10 hours of usage. I don't know what this is. This is Bluetooth, I guess. I don't know what this is. And the design of the earbuds is designed by Jose Levy. I don't know who he is. He's some sort of a designer. Some of the specs of the earbuds. I don't really know what this all means, but let's take a look at the box. Okay. This is right now. Okay, it's a very normal unboxing experience. Got the right here. It's all in Chinese. I don't read Chinese, but let's just open it. Okay, the casing itself feels, well, it looks nice. It's really matte. But it's very plasticky. Okay, we've got the charging port at the back here. It's magnetized, so that's pretty good. And here are the earphones. Oh, it's not a flat surface, so it wobbles like a marble. I think that was the Jose Levy design concept, I guess. So the earbuds has a marble design as well, I believe. Okay, let's do this right. Right. What is that? Why is this right? Okay, the slot for the earbuds, it's magnetized as well. It has a nice yellow finishing in the earbuds. There's a charging port right there. Okay, is there anything else that comes in the box? Okay, it has a USB charging cable, which is pretty short. Unfortunately, it's micro USB. It's not a Type C. Well, I can live with that. Extra earbuds. And a documentation. And it's all Chinese. You can get this in, I don't know, Shopee, Lazada at about I think 89 bucks right now. But yeah. So that's the unboxing experience for the RealMe Buds Q. I heard that this earbud, it's pretty good at latency. There's virtually no latency when you play games with this earbud, so that would be a pretty nice thing to try, since I like to play PUBG a lot, and I would like to use something which is wireless and doesn't have latency. Audio quality wise, I believe it's pretty normal. It's not that great. It's good, but I don't think it's that great. But I'll test it out and we'll see how good this earbuds is. So well, this is unboxing video for the RealMe Buds Q. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please support by giving me a thumbs up, comment below, share, and I'll see you guys next time.